Now Sertan asked me, shall we do some action? He said, shall we take some action? Well, I said we'll get medium sweet. I'm ready.
It's going to be a bit action-packed, but there's no safety issue. Just enjoy the flight, alright? Okay, finger free.
I might miss recording from time to time.
Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1, we're starting.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm here again with my new video. What do we say? Thumb. Greetings to everyone. The day has finally come. Now it's time for paragliding. I'm going. Actually, I'm heading to the place where I registered for paragliding. I'm not going to say something like, it's time to say goodbye to my wife. Of course, that's just nonsense. I'm going. I'll fly and then come back down. We'll meet at 10:30. That's why I came a bit early. At 10:30, we'll meet. So I came a little early. Hello, how are you?
How are you? Are you excited?
I'm very excited. Now the excitement has started. While I was sitting over there, I felt nothing. But as soon as I got in the vehicle, the excitement suddenly hit me.
It's going to be really enjoyable. Enjoy the view up there. Don't rush at all. You'll experience the unique beauty of the cable car, and the square has its own beauty during the flight. See you when you get there.
Okay, see you. Let's put on our safety helmets. Goodbye. Thank you. All right, everyone. We've arrived at the cable car. We're heading up to Babadağ. How long does it take to get up there by cable car from here?
It takes about 15 minutes or so.
So we're going up by cable car for 15 minutes. The excitement is kicking in. Right now, we're here. We're going to go up from here. This part is at 200 meters. From here we go up again. 700 meters. And here's the highest point at 900 meters, and that's where we'll jump from. Let's go. All right, Sertan, it's your turn. Tell us the story of Mount Baba.
Yes, according to what they say, it was probably in the 1990s. I don't know the exact date or the full name in the story. A crazy German guy comes here, he looks up from below, he says, I can fly from here. So with donkeys and mules, they somehow make it up to that peak, and a German uncle makes the first flight from here.
What kind of courage is that? I mean, it's not like jumping off a tower or something. You're jumping off the top of a mountain. What a crazy guy. Even the animals were affected. Now they're going to ask. There was glass, man. Good thing we didn't stick our heads out the window. There are preparations going on over there. Wow, man, it's so crowded. Guys, let me tell you how I feel right now. I mean, I don't really know how to describe it, so you're making preparations right here like this. There's nothing behind the view. So all the connections and everything are being set up. From this point on, I guess it's the moment when fear will start trickling down my legs. I mean, everyone is jumping without fear. They're all running together, bumping into each other. People are jumping like rain. When you look over there, the stream of people just doesn't end. I guess all these people have experienced this before and are jumping over and over again. Isn't that right, Captain?
You're absolutely right, man. I totally agree.
I mean, this will be my first time. I'm getting excited.
You don't touch it, you don't mess with it. I'm locking it, I'm checking it. I'm locking it, I'm checking it. I've checked it twice. After that, you don't play. We're fastening this. We're making an adjustment like this, according to your body. Can you move comfortably? Okay, it shouldn't be too tight. If it's too tight, you won't be able to move. Now, you'll have a helmet. By the way, do you have sunglasses?
No, I didn't bring any.
All right, can you tighten this part a bit more?
Is there an adjustment for that?
Yes, there is.
The shoulder seems a bit low.
Okay, how is it like this?
It's good, well, like this.
All right, now if you're ready, I'll get ready just like you. Then we'll head towards the flight. We'll walk together until we get there. If necessary, we'll run, and you'll have the camera in one hand. You can record, you can start recording during takeoff. If you want, you can also record from the takeoff phase, all the way to the landing after we take off. All right, the camera is yours.
Hello.
For filming, you can certainly commence from there, if you want to, or if that works best for you, if that's what you prefer. You can shoot whatever you want until you land.
Okay, during takeoff, we'll be running together.
When I say take off together, it means we're going. After that, we'll walk together, walk, let's see. Then we'll continue with run. Anyway, the one who went before us is already done, so that's fine too.
I'm absolutely incredibly amazed and very excited about this moment right now. When you say takeoff, we fly.
Everyone is saying take off to each other. My heart is pounding. It's going to be a different kind of experience. Yes, that was the last takeoff.
I guess it's our turn after this. Actually, we could use some help from that guy. Dude, could you throw me too? We don't have an assistant right now. Let's take the hit and go.
Thank you, Captain.
Keep your hands free.
Then start because someone went through from the inside to one side and didn't go through properly. Is that normal?
Is it normal to hold the camera?
Okay. Is the camera on right now?
It's on.
We don't really know.
Definitely he's running on his tiptoes as far as Buchan. He won't make it to Buchan. We'll get on our tiptoes 3 or 4 times.
Yes, we're ready. Let us just sort out our glass, then we'll go, okay? Are we ready?
We're ready, bro. Come on, let's go. Let's see, come on. We're waiting for you. Just waiting.
Keep walking.
Just keep walking. Just walk.
Walk. Thank you, my friend.
Thanks. Yes, we're flying. Wow, man. Shake the box towards the inside of the seat. Perfect. Now we're going to ask one of you to hold the camera and put your other hand inside from the right. Hold the camera with your left hand and put your right hand in. Like left. There you go. Now you've got it.
Did it work?
It worked.
Unbelievable.
Whoa.
It's all sand down below.
Yes, we've settled in very nicely. Are we comfortable?
I'm very comfortable.
Well, all right.
Then let's go.
We're gonna go a bit higher.
Okay. Were you afraid of heights?
At this point, not anymore.
It's a bit late for that.
Even if I was, we're already at around 1700.
Yes, we're going to go a bit higher. We might go up to the 2000s,
Okay.
depending on the situation. You just relax and enjoy the flight.
Yes, right now, this place here is the peak point of Babadağ.
By the way, let me give you another piece of information. The highest flying in the air, flying from Baba, but the high money is a surprise. Yes, there are no other surprise money flights from Baba right now.
Just a moment. This was a different kind of delivery. It's really the time for it. Wow. So much. Such a feeling of freedom. It's an incredible feeling. Yes, now Sertan asked me, will we do some action? He asked if we would get some action. I said we could get a moderate amount. Let's see what happens.
The camera is with you?
Me too. I'm ready.
All right, let's check the surroundings. With one hand, we're holding on tightly.
Okay.
It'll be a bit action-packed, but there's no safety issue. Just enjoy the flight, all right?
Okay.
Fingers free.
Sometimes I might miss it sometimes.
All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1, we're starting. These moves we're making are safe moves.
There's no need to be afraid. Okay, so they're safe moves. Yeah, safe moves. Wow. Wow. Whoa, are we really okay? Hap, hap, hap. Yes, sort of. Hap. It could slip through the gaps right now.
What are you holding on to?
Hap. Hey, wait. Yeah, wow. This is so weird. Did we stop?
We stopped, we stopped.
If you want action, this is mild, medium, sweet action. Is there anything more intense than this?
Yes, there is a little further.
No, this is enough for me.
All right, that's plenty. We can keep flying calmly.
I really felt the strength of the wind, you know.
Yes, that's called G-force. That's what we call G-force. Yes, let's head toward the lagoon and take a tour. Let's fly comfortably.
I think I'm going to watch my facial expression in the video and laugh.
That's exactly how it is.
Whoa! Ha 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 ha! Incredible! That was awesome. But yeah, it was a bit thrilling. My mouth got really dry. Ha 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 ha! Woo! Yes, this is the front of the sea. Yes, right there. The dark part. Let's see. Will I be able to see my mark? I can't see my memory. Does he sunbathe? Oh! Weird. Yes, we're starting the descent. The helmet is on. We're getting closer. Can I record the landing too?
Of course, you will record it. You can record it.
This is truly Sertan's flight. He always says of course to everything. Such a strange guy. Very comfortable. Now, at this point, I'm actually going to carefully make one more turn, just like before.
A little.
During landing, we lift our feet up.
Okay.
When I tell you to stand up, you'll stand up. Now. Okay? Stand up beforehand. Yes, lift your feet up in the air. I'm having you stand up so your feet don't hit the ground. Your feet. Okay? Hold the camera up as well. Then let's hit the ground. Is that exactly how it happened? We're coming. Move aside. Hey! High five. Is this it? Hey man, is it there? Is it? Did it work? Did it? Did it happen? Work. Thank you for having me.
How are you?
I'm figuring it out.
Then we move under your mouth.
Hello. Our box is finished. That means it's done. I'm following you. Super. I'm telling you everything. Very good. Very bad.
He did an action.
Very. Didn't say before taking. Did you beat it back then?
Went in too deep.
With the band? Hello, we're going down somewhere else.
You came with your ears covered, like the Nensels. That was really, really nice indeed. Our feet touch the ground. From now on, we're comfortable.
Super, that's it.
I'm taking this out from here.
Let me take that out from there.
Lookity, Para. I'll give you your belongings.
Don't forget them.
Your cell phone and such.
Extremely comfortable.
Incredibly comfortable.
Yes, me too.
Me too. They're so relaxed.
Let me take this.
I took this one too, okay?
You all are impatient now. It was nice.
Hopefully I'll let you watch it. We shot a little vlog.
It turned out nice. I already guessed it.
You really got stuck right in the middle of the normal process. I said during that process, they hit it. We got stuck.
How was the cable car ride?
It was nice.
We chatted.
I had her tell a little story.
Selfana. It was nice.
After that, up there.
Is it about picking up Max?
I don't know, but I don't think so.
Let's continue.
I wake up to a little bit of drool, like my pillow feels like it's gonna be a bad day. I'm tired of everything and the coffee hasn't kicked in yet, damn. Isn't that great? The coffee hasn't kicked in yet, damn. That's great.
I don't want to go to work because my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life because I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm going to stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change to help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all. And we all have dreams.
We all want something.
How are you going to act?
What will you become?
And do you believe?
My strife, my right to fight, to die on.
And this is my